Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious popsicles out of juice. First, let's gather our essential supplies to get started. You'll need your favorite fruit juice, some sturdy popsicle molds, and the corresponding sticks. Make sure your molds are sparkling clean and completely dry, ready for action. For an extra special touch and added texture, you might even want to prepare some small, finely chopped pieces of fruit to include later in your frozen treats. Now, let's get to the fun part, filling your molds. Carefully pour your chosen juice into each mold, making sure to leave about 1/4 inch of space at the top for expansion. Next, gently insert a popsicle stick into each mold, ensuring it stands upright. Then, place your filled molds into the freezer for at least 4 to 6 hours, or until they are completely solid. Once your popsicles are perfectly frozen, it's time to unmold them. For easy removal, briefly run warm water over the outside of each mold for about 10 to 15 seconds. This helps to slightly loosen the frozen treat. Then, gently pull the stick to release your homemade popsicle. Serve them immediately and enjoy your refreshing, delicious, and perfectly chilled snack. Want to get creative? Try layering different juice flavors in your molds for a vibrant, multicolored popsicle. You could also blend in some plain yogurt or pureed fruit for a creamier, smoothie-like texture. For a fun, fizzy twist, add a splash of sparkling water to your juice before freezing. The possibilities are endless for your homemade frozen treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.